The red robes replaced the usual white or colorful uniform worn during a cricket match. Ropes fluttered as runs were scored and cheers echoed softly. Players paused, bats swung, and the ball flew high. It was a calm match, played in good spirit and smiles. The championship marks Phase 2 of the Cricket for All program following the successful completion of Phase 1. These monks and nuns from 4 monasteries and 1 nunnery also took part in a 5-day cricket training program last year.
Today, as we monks and nuns play the cricket tournament for the first time, we all had a very enjoyable experience. Every participant played well and gave their best. Through cricket, we are able to keep ourselves healthy and also build good cooperation and teamwork.
First of all, I would like to thank the Central Monastic Body and secondly UNICEF for giving us this opportunity for which we are immensely grateful. Cricket is a very enjoyable sport that also promotes physical health, and through it we have learned many new skills.
I am very happy that we received such opportunity. We hope to teach and encourage our younger ones to take up this sport as well. Unlike before, we now have the chance to showcase our talent and learn new skills, and we plan to continue playing in the future.
I would like to thank the organizers for this opportunity. I didn't expect it. We did well today.
If a person is physically unwell, it becomes difficult to maintain good mental health, which in turn affects their studies. Moreover, many monks and nuns lack confidence and face difficulties when speaking or performing in front of a crowd. Engaging in sports helps build their confidence while keeping them physically fit and mentally healthy.
The
𝗳𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗀𝗀 Monastery won the final after defeating 𝗂𝗵𝗄𝗃 Buddhist Monastic School, while 𝗳𝗶𝗃𝗀𝗃 Buddhist College for Nuns Team B defeated Team A. The Cricket Council Board and UNICEF Bhutan organized the event to promote physical well-being, unity and life skills among monks and nuns. Today, the monks and nuns proved that on this pitch, joy was ultimate winner. 𝗳𝗶𝗶𝗃𝗀𝗃 for BBS News.